the only, the one, the lady of the night, David Miss Stephanie Shallow G. Arce.
Cielo, yeah, as a baby, very quiet siya. Never siyang nahulog sa kama. Very thoughtful na bata. Imagine at the age of 3, alam na niya yung ginagawa niya, para yung katulad nung naglalaba ako. At the age of 3, lumapit siya sa akin, dala yung tubig, uminom ka muna. Pagod ka na, pinapawisan ka na. Imagine that. Very napaka-mature niya, very thoughtful na bata. Never niya naging sakit ng ulo ko si Cielo. She's always, lagi siyang proud, nagbibigay ng ano ba yon, karangalan. What I can say with Cielo, wish ko lang basang na wala akong masabi, pero you grow a very fine lady, a good daughter, a good cousins, a good granddaughter, a good niece to your titos and titas. So, wala akong masabi sa'yo, baby. I wish ko lang sa'yo sana is good health, wisdom, and happiness.
Ako kuma talaga kaya't agdebo. Instead ket pag-travel ako man. But ni mama gamin, siguro feeling ko ni mama igamin ubing ket bakahan na experience dito, so like ipaspasa na kanya. So okay. Kasi medyo mawawatak tatan. Aman gamin talaga ako talaga kaya't agdebo. Kasi like DJ yung planning ki. Tapos nadya kaya makipatang kumaidin.
Yes, I know baby na ayaw mong mag-debut. Never mong gustong mag-debut kasi ayaw mo ng mga ganitong luxurious na bagay ka nga. Ang gusto mo lang mag-travel. Pero alam mo ito yung mga bagay na hindi ko naranasan. Kasi sa hirap ng buhay namin, yung sa dami namin magkakapatid na 11, hindi namin naranasan na mag-debut, mag-travel ng mga malalayo. So, yun lang ang wish ko, na mag-debut ka kasi para maranasan mo kung gaano yung maranasan mo yung hindi ko na naranasan. Yung inaasam-asam namin, yung parang pinapangarap na rin din namin noon na magkaroon ng debut sana. Pero hindi namin kaya. So, yun lang, kaya kinumbins kita, kaya pinilit kita na magkaroon ng debut ng ganitong event. Okay. So, please, baby, thank you so much. Thank you.
Starting tonight, siguro mas maging sweeter na kanya mon lado kay next year, college, pagsagsangit ko. Next year, college, Baguio, hopefully, SLU, to become like you. And, thank you. Thank you that way, debut. Siguro, nga kanya man ko ma-experience that way.
I'm so happy for you, basang ko. So, good luck to your next journey. At sana, yun nga, matupad mo lahat ng mga wini-wish mo sa mga ambisyon mo. I love you, baby. I love you so much. Although you're now a young lady, you're now a lady, but still, you always be my baby. I love you.
Maybe I'll wait until that day. I'd rather take my whiskey and leave my coffee black and my bed at 3. You're too sweet for me. You're too
Very fierce is mga katao.
Very masungit.
Yes,
Very
no.
masita and everything.
Very mabait naman.
Easygoing siya eh.
Just like my ride or die friend.
One call away, friend. Masong ito no.
Ever once mo na sa classroom tayo kay Awanin. Naganan naggulo talaga.
Yeah.
So like,
You remember-
she's basically the backbone of our
Very
class.
true.
Remember
Main message ko kay Shelo she made my senior high school life more bearable.
Yeah.
Kahit hindi na kami mag-classmate, I swear.
Oo.
I will always wish na like we're in the same class.
Yeah.
Yun yung lagi namin
Siya yung-
sinesend sa TikTok.
Siya yung yung second na naka-closean ko sa classroom. Since
Walang
transfer.
iiyak!
Transfer na niyo. Happy birthday, Shelo!
my coffee black and my bed at 3. You're too sweet for me. You're too sweet for me. Fire lost in the haze. If you're drunk on life, babe, I think it's great. But while in this world, I think I'll take my whiskey and leave my coffee black in my bed at 3. You're too sweet for me. You're too sweet for me. I take my whiskey and leave my coffee black in my bed at 3. You're too sweet for me. You're too sweet for me.
My dear Shelo, as I watch you stare into the gold ball, you, my heart swells with pride and love. It's hard to believe that the little girl I once held in my arms is now a young woman, full of grace, strength, dreams waiting to unfold. Happy 18th birthday, my love, my baby, my forever baby. I always live for you, no matter what. I love you more than words can say. Hey everyone, as this special night grows to a close, I want to take this moment to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you for gracing and celebrating with me my 18th birthday. I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Vice Governor Ryan Luis Solid and City Vice Mayor Michael Chintan for making time to join us despite the busy schedules. I would also like to express my gratitude to Tata Antenna. This night is not just a celebration of my 18 years, but of all the people who have walked with me on this journey. As I step into adulthood, I know that life will bring new challenges and opportunities. But with all of you by my side, your guidance and blessings, your wishes, I'm confident and excited for what the future holds. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank my suppliers, makeup artists, caterers, the venue, sound system, the photographers, and host. Thank you po. That's all.